In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and getting signed in is quick once you know where to go and what to click. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along without missing anything. First, head to the OneDrive website in your browser, or open the OneDrive app if you prefer using the application. If you're using a browser, type the official OneDrive web address into the address bar, or search for OneDrive and select the result from Microsoft. Take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate Microsoft site by checking the URL. If you're on a computer or mobile device with the OneDrive app already installed, just launch the app from your applications or home screen. Either route works the same for this sign-in process. Once the website or app is open, look for the sign-in option. On the website, you'll typically see sign in at the top right of the page. In the app, you'll usually be greeted with a welcome screen that includes a sign in button. Go ahead and click or tap sign in to begin. Next, you'll be asked for your email. Enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account or your organization's Microsoft 365 account. This could be a personal account or a work or school account. Type it carefully to avoid typos. Double check for extra spaces, missing characters, or the wrong domain. Email addresses aren't case sensitive, so capitalization won't matter, but spelling absolutely does. If you have more than one Microsoft account, make sure you're using the one linked to the files you want to access in OneDrive. After you've entered your email, click Next. This confirms your account and takes you to the next part of the sign-in flow. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted for your password, asked to verify your identity, or directed to your organization's sign-in page. That's normal and varies by account type and security settings. In this walkthrough, we're stopping right after you select Next, which completes the initial identification step. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you're on a shared or public device, avoid saving your sign-in details if the sign-in button doesn't appear or the page looks different. Refresh the page or try another browser or device. That's it. You've gone to OneDrive, selected sign in, entered your email, and clicked Next, the essential steps to start signing in.